This is why you need to fix your MetaQuest 3 tracking issues fast. First, let's check your controllers. In your device settings, unpair and repair them. Also, make sure their batteries are fresh. Next, optimize your play area. Keep it well lit, but avoid direct sunlight and reflective surfaces like mirrors or glass. Clear any obstructions like cords or clutter. Now let's check your 6DoF tracking. Press the Meta button, go to Quick Settings, then System, and ensure 6DoF tracking is enabled. Update time. Make sure your headset and the MetaQuest app on your phone are both up to date. Still having issues? Try clearing your Guardian history in Settings under Guardian. If nothing's working, remove the controller batteries for 10-15 minutes to reset them. As a last resort, consider a factory reset. Hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously, then select Factory Reset. Finally, clean the tracking cameras with a microfiber cloth and remove any third-party accessories. Test your setup in a different room if needed, and if all else fails, contact Meta support for help.